Let me see. Get out the car. Yeah.
Alright, intro, because I lost the actual footage to this. R34 coils.
Damn, these boys already got started and everything. It is motherfucker. Yo, Junior, what are we doing today?
Coilovers on the 34.
Yeah. Look, these boys already got cracking on this motherfucker. They already got one installed. Good old BC.
Yo, can we get a taste test on the Doritos?
Honestly, could use a bit more cheese.
A bit more cheese? A bit more cheese? All right.
Not so cheese.
How much out of 10 though? How much out of 10 though?
Out of 10? Definitely a 7.
A 7? A 7? Personally, I don't agree to that, but...
Triangle, you know, the geometry is a little bit off. Because if you look at a real triangle, sometimes it can look like this. But sometimes it looks like this. But yeah, I usually like this, you know.
All right.
I like the cheese.
All right. Come on.
That was my rating on it, dude. That was my rating on it.
That's how you get demonetized. All right. What are we doing? Explain
Alright,
it to me.
so, come on. Look, the coilovers for the R34, their two top bolts are in the rear, in the interior. So we have to strip apart the interior, and to do that for the R34, let me show you. You got two bolts right here, one on this side, and then one on the other side.
All right.
And we're gonna take those off, allowing the back seat to the bottom seat to come off, and then that's gonna allow the front seat to be exposed to come off.
You mean the rear seat?
Yeah.
Can you just go? You could just grab it from the trunk, or?
So yeah, so once we go ahead and take the whole back seat out, we're gonna take off the speakers cover, and that's gonna expose the top hat, allowing us to take it off. The reason you can't go in from the trunk is because the top hat is not exposed there.
All right.
It has a longer travel for better suspension.
Sounds good. All right. So, in case you guys don't know, this is what the rear coils looks like. Like, bro, this motherfucker is long, dude. It's huge. It's like the longest coilover I've ever seen. Yo, how them chips?
Delicious.
Rate them out of 10.
7?
No way.
Did not make it a 10?
Ah, they said it was 7 too, Macedo.
Hell yeah. See, I'm telling you, they're 7.
Dude, Doritos are definitely like a 9.
Doritos are not a 9.
Can you hop in?
Alright, so we got the front wheels on, but we wanted to go a little bit lower because we jacked the wheel up, and
We're trying to correct the fitment.
yeah, we're trying to get the perfect fitment, you know what I mean? So we go like an inch lower, that'd be perfect. But Macedo, you got the back seat out, so really good progress on that. Alright, like
Really
like,
good.
Yeah, like I'm honestly just here for emotional support, you know, but like, they couldn't do it without me. Like that's
Honestly, I'm
Yeah.
mentally sane. I'm mentally sane because you're doing it.
yeah, exactly. See, so I mean, what? It's like a 2-man's job anyway. You don't really need me. All right, guys. So Minty R34 seat for sale. $3,000. No low baller. I know what I got. All right, just hit me up.
Alright, quick little recap. We finished up the 34 coils. We dropped it. Now we're moving on to birthday party. And this is a little setup beforehand.
Hey.
Alright, you in this
Shit
one.
got crazy.
You in this video. Alright. Alright. So we finna start on this side. On a scale of 1 to 10, what you rate homie over here?
Wait, who? Hey, she cool. She got her hair done. You know
Try to do a spin.
That's
Do a little
gang,
spin around.
That's gang, you know what I'm saying? Gang. Twin. I give her
Do a spin.
Half.
How you feel? Do a spin for the camera. See that? Okay. Alright, your turn. How you feel about my homeboy?
What he from?
Where you from? Bro, I can't do this shit, bro.
Put his face in it! Put his face in it! Put it in! Hey, throw that bitch in there!
Alright guys, we're in Macedo's car right now. We're gonna go pick him to go because he drove his car into a ditch. Don't buy cheap tires. Yeah. What you got to say about this?
I told him not to do it. I've been telling him not to on stupid cheap tires.
You think Road Cruiser is a cheap tire?
Right, it was 200 for all four.
200 for all four?
Yeah.
What?
It was like 240 all said and done.
That is actually.
So do you want to smile real quick for the camera? We'll give you an update when we get there. Hopefully he's not too bad, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna attempt to pull the car out on the 190E. Hopefully that works. Alright. Let me see. Get out the car.
Dude, I'm in a car.
Wait, whose car are you in?
I'm in the police car.
Hey.
Alright.
Hey, tell them we're on the way. Hey, are you gonna blow on the breathalyzer though?
I have to.
Okay, do it on FaceTime for the camera. Hey, is
Have
she
them take a
cute?
picture of you standing on the fender, bro.
Go, if it makes you feel any better. We drove Macedo's car into a ditch too. No, I'm not joking, bro. We drove it into a ditch. Nah, but we, bro. Like I said, we're the recovery team, so we just recovered it right off the fucking ditch.
Dude, the car honestly looks fine.
We didn't practice.
No, the car's fine, bro. It's grass. You chilling.
It's mud and grass.
All right, we're pulling up on the go now. Turns out we're not gonna have to pull it with the 190E after all. I know, the disappointment. The go, I think he's safe. They might have breathalyzed. They might have breathalyzed him because, I mean, who's dumb enough to drive it into a ditch?
Yeah, that's a cop car. And this is the spot.
That is not at all.
That is.
That
The
is
go
a
is.
cop.
Oh.
That's a cop. Stop. Stop the car.
Wait, they took the car. Yeah.
You can't get it till tomorrow?
Yeah.
What the
No
fuck?
way.
Where's your finger, bro?
Dude, it was a cut from here, from here all the way down to here.
Really? That's why the tiny ass spot's the only one bleeding?
Okay, it's like from here down to here.
No, it's not.
Wait, hold on. Don't grab me, don't grab me.
All right, I'm not
Oh
driving.
yeah, we gotta see the photos.
Look at this, hold on.
Dude, the cop, we told her, like, fell off a car, and she's like, maybe you shouldn't drive. Yo, that's hard.
That's hard.
What, you got another one?
No, hold on. Fuck. Oh my god.
Bro, learn how to use your phone.
That's all I got. That's all I got.
But this one go. I was like, yo, can you take me a picture real quick?
Why so spread out?
Yo, that's a beautiful fucking picture, dude.
The lighting's good, dude. That's so
should've-
when they pulled out the car.
Dude, don't film me.
Is it on?
All right, yeah, say it.
No, so like, bro, can you take that camera out of my face, bro?
Why?
Bro,
Don't put it up in his face.
yeah, just don't put it in his face.
Well, so like, cause we got in the car and like I was low-key rizzing this fucking. Yo, turn off. Oh my god, yo, I saw this fucking light on, bro.
Dude, it's not pointing
Turn all this light on. Dude, like literally all my fingers hurt. I literally hit my head in the fucking like B corner, fucking B panel, dude. Dude, but like this lady come, I was like low-key rizzing her up, right? Yo, what the fuck? But like, dude, like I was cracking up jokes and shit. I was like, yo, can I take some pictures? And I was like, yo, can you take a picture of me? And she was like, why are you doing this? I was like, well, it's already happened. Like, at least get some funny memories out of it. And she laughed a little bit. And then she took my, what's that test?
With the breathalyzer?
Yeah, she took my breathalyzer test. And then like after it's finished, I was like, what's my high score that I win? And she started laughing. She was like, it's a 0. And like, cause they had to draw like the road and like visual what happened.
Yeah.
So she was drawing, and I was like, damn, you're low-key a good artist for real. Like you good at drawing? And she's like, no, I'm not that good. I'm not that good.
Did she have a ring on her finger?
Yeah.
Who cares?
See, that shit happened so fast, dude. I remember I spun out, and I just fell backward and hit my head. But I didn't even hit it that hard. Like, there's no bumps or anything. Like, my head feels fine. I just like hit it lightly.
Yeah, at least you're in the Recaro confetti.
Dude, I think that Recaro confetti saved my life, bro, for real.
Hey,
Yeah, Recaro should really sponsor us.
that's exactly what I was gonna say.
We also need a roll cage.
Yeah, we would love a Cusco roll cage.
Yeah, for real. And like a fucking-
Like literally the seatbelt and the bucket seat like saved me. Like I was like, damn, if I have a helmet on, I would be totally fine. Like it's just me. I was like, it's just like one of those drift
What'd you cut
crash.
your finger on?
What?
What'd you cut your finger on?
I was getting out and all the bushes were sharp as fuck.
Oh,
you little
man,
bitch,
what the
dude.
fuck?
Bro,
We're over here thinking it's like something crazy.
I was
dude.
deep in the
On bush.
fucking mud, bro.
Deep in the trenches.
Like literally.
He came out the mud, bro. Look.
This man got all the drugs, bro. God damn.
Alright, my camera died, but I got a new battery, and hopefully it's not too quiet. Alright, when I wanted to go get a new battery, my shit died, but I just wanted to go get his medicine.
That's it.
Oh, that is crazy.
Why was it crazy?
Bro, so I'm chilling there, so they put the fucking IV in, right?
The IV?
Yeah. I'm chilling with IV.
Yeah.
And the fucking doctor comes in here like, alright, do 30 of the Fenny. You gotta do 3 of something else and 8 of something else. About 20-30 seconds you feel it. Alright, what, like, pass me out? Or knock me out? He's like, yeah, the good shit. Alright, cool. Laying there, I'm like, God damn, I already got half. And then I wake up, and they're like, alright, you're done. I'm like, what the fuck?
You're like, whoa.
Like, is that fucking quick, guys? Alright, shit. You want to get in the go and go to the commissary so you get like apple sauce and shit?
Yeah, let's go to the comments. Well,
Let's
yeah.
get in the go. Let's wake
I
him
don't
up.
know. He's still asleep.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, let's go get him,
Alright.
go to the commissary, then we'll go get his bitch ass car. You feel me?
Yeah, we retrieved that motherfucker. This man high as hell. Alright, look, now all we gotta do is take this motherfucker back. Mad expensive out here too. Like, it was not worth it. We wish we could have came and took it ourselves, but since the cops got involved, kind of ruined that whole thing. But it is what it is, you know. We came and picked up the car. She's good to go. She a little towed it in from the front, But so other than that, a little bit of damage to the tail light. Not too bad. So I'll see y'all on the cruise back.